Growing cities all around the world encounter problems concerning space for car parks. A land of 1,400 square meters can fit only 67 cars. You need to increase land size by 6 times just to put in a reasonable 400 cars to each commercial building. Or you can build a regular multi-level car park on 1,400 square meters of land, but that will only hold 210 cars. What you need today is an automated valet parking system that can double the capacity of a regular multi-level car park. Its integrated self-parking and security system makes it safer as well as faster because all movements are computerized, while saving you money on land acquisition and keeping more of the world's precious resource green. Enter Simmatec automated valet parking system marketed by Takashimaya. First ever in Malaysia, Simmatec is deployed in the upcoming Times Avenue Executive Office building. The car is driven onto an automated platform which is started at the swipe of the parking card. The system's computer will instruct the lift to transport the car to the best available position while taking into account other ingress and egress requests in the queue. The process is quick and safe and saves the motorist hassle and time. In this case, the car park is a narrow multi-level building with limited bays on each level known as lift parking. The system can be designed to fit huge basement-type car parks with a more sophisticated technology called the transfer device system. Robot trolleys built into the automated platforms haul the cars from the platforms to the bays and vice versa, doubling both speed and convenience. Here again, the system's computer has full control of the delivery of cars to and from the bays to cut down time and increase efficiency. Yet another system is roll parking. In this complex design, a host of automated platforms are suspended on multiple levels, serving a core platform for ingress and egress. Speed of parking and delivery is maximized with the multiple platforms processing parking requests simultaneously. The rotating core parking design marries exceptional capacity with limited land area. Being cylindrical in shape, more bays can be created while the core platform rotates its way up and down the car park, bringing in and delivering out cars in every cycle. As in all the designs illustrated, a simple swipe of the parking card is all it takes to get your car delivered back to you before making a safe, hassle-free exit. The world's leading automated parking manufacturer, Simmatec from South Korea. Marketed in Malaysia by Takashimaya.